In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix World app failed to fetch data problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different steps how to fix this. So fix number one is to check your internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, and also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. You can also toggle on and off airplane mode to refresh the connection. Fix number two is to restart the app. So long press on the app, click on I, click on force stop, click on OK, and then reopen the app. Now, third fix here is to clear the app cache and app data. So this is for Android users. So long press on World app, click on the I app info, scroll down under usage, click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data, and then click delete. But be careful, all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Now, fix four is to update the app. So we can either do that on our Google Play Store or App Store. So I find the quickest way to do this is to hold down World up, click on the I, scroll down, click on app details, install, and then make sure it is updated. If it says open, it means you got the latest version. If it says update, go ahead and update the app. Now, fix number five, is to check World app server status. So the URL is here, status.worldcoin.org, and then come to here, and if there's any issues, they're going to be jotted down here. So on mine says all system operational, so we can rule that one out. Now, another way we can do, another fix, is to go ahead and uninstall World app and then reinstall it. Now, the last fix is to also restart your device. So go ahead and restart your device, sign back in if you need be. Let me know down in the comments below which fix worked for you guys.